Hi everyone, welcome to my 3ds Max modeling tutorial. In this video, I'm going to talk you through the basics of the 3D Max interface. Now, the first thing you will notice when you open the 3ds Max is the interface. It may look a little overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we will explain the important things. So, as you can see, the interface is divided into several key areas, including the viewport, the menu bar, the main toolbar, the command panel, the animation control, and the navigation control. Each of these areas play a role in the 3ds Max workflow. Let's start with the viewport. This is where you will do most of your modeling work. You can use the viewport to create and manipulate 3D objects, adjust their proportions, and view your scene from different angles. The main toolbar in 3ds Max is located at the top of the interface and contains commonly used tools for creating, modifying, animating, and rendering 3D models. It is divided into sections, each with specific tools, and can be customized. It provides easy access to frequently used tools and commands. Next, we have the command panel. This is where you will find all the tools and options you need to create and edit your 3D models. The command panel is divided into several tabs, each of which contains a different set of tools. The animation control in 3ds Max allow you to create and edit animation for your 3D models. It provides a timeline where you can set keyframes to define the position, rotation, and scale of objects at specific points in time. You can also use animation controls to create more complex animation with constraints, expressions, and other advanced techniques. The animation control is an essential tool for creating dynamic and engaging 3D animations. The navigation controls in 3ds Max allow you to move around and explore your 3D scene. They include tools such as the pan, zoom, and the orbit, which let you navigate your scene from different angles and perspectives. You can use the mouse and keyboard shortcuts to quickly and easily navigate your scene, as well as customize the navigation controls to suit your workflow. So that's a quick overview of the 3ds Max interface. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.